Hey there! I'm Stanley, Dave's four-legged helper, and I've sniffed out the best boiler deals in Horley, Crawley, and beyond. Need a shiny new boiler? Dave Manning, our gas-safe registered pro, has got you covered, whether it's a combi, system, or regular boiler. Dave will pop in for your free site survey and quote for a bespoke boiler system designed just for you, all with up to a 12-year guarantee. Safe, efficient, and totally fuss-free. That's my Dave's promise. Ready to heat things up? Hey, don't forget to book Dave for your yearly boiler service. Oh, I nearly forgot he installs hobs and cookers too. Give Dave a call today. Tell him Stanley sent you. Oh, and if you catch me behind the wheel of his van, ask me for Dave's card. But whatever you do, don't let Dave know I borrowed his van.